just want to really request for your continued support. Papasalamat po kami sa pagdalo nyo today, which shows how you support Coco Mama. But we need your help to continue spreading the good news, what we're trying to do here in our simple way. And we hope to see you more often in our future activities. Hindi naman po magtatapos yan sa 100,000. Sana po maging tuloy-tuloy yan. And it will be enabled by your support. So salamat po sa inyo lahat. And all the farmers who are here, all the government officials who are here to show support, maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat, Sir Noel. What about for you, Ms. Judy Ann?
Of course, thank you. Maraming salamat again to my Coco Mama family. Thank you for bringing me here. It's an honor to be here. Na makilala, makita at makasama ko kayo dito sa Gensan. It's been a while since I was last here, but then again, looking back, marami na nagbago, pero ang kabaitan po ninyo at kung paano kayo mag-welcome sa amin ay taos-puso pa rin. Maraming salamat. And I can't wait to come back here after 5 years para makita ko ang aking puno. Thank you so much, and thank you for bringing awareness po sa advokasya ng Coco Mama at Sir Noel. Let's help Mother Earth para po to sa future ng ating mga anak, mga apo at mga maging apo-apo-apuhan pa. Let's all hope for more coconut trees to help our farmers, and let's make it happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Judy Ann. And lastly, Sir Brian.
Sige, mabilis na lang to, but ito yung literal na sinasabi nilang it takes a village, no, to really save Mother Earth. And taos-puso po kami nagpapasalamat who everyone contributed to make this really happen. To our partners, to the agencies, to our friends and families, diba? Kapag nagawa natin ito ng tama, na-address natin itong crisis na to, everyone wins. Everyone wins. The economy, the Filipino farmers, lahat. So, natutuwa kaming lahat kayo in full support to make this project happen. And again, this is we have so much blessings for this day, and everything went really well.
And thank you very much for making this happen for us. Yes, everyone, a big round of applause once again. Thank you all for joining us.